Is it actually possible to, just based on a screenshot, copy the design and style of a website using a large language model? So that was the idea I, was trying to find out, and I saw a lot of videos on YouTube, and the results I saw were not that good, and so I decided to try it myself. And as you can see here, I took this screenshot, and I found it on Dribble, by the way, and I wanted to replicate a website. I wanted to create something in React or in Vite, which is kind of similar to what I can see here, based only on a screenshot. And first off, my first try was with Gemini, right? So I did that because that was the fastest way to do it, and this is what I get, basically. So you can see that, I mean, it copied more or less the content, but the design itself is not really looking that way. If I scroll up, you can see that, yeah, I have this button here, that is true. Also, the color seems kind of similar, but if I take a closer look, the background is just black. So there is no, these squares, as you can see here in the image, for instance. Also, of course, this is rather blue and not simply black. And also, I can see here this gradient color, here this purple and so on. So it looks to me nothing like the original one, actually. I have to say that. And by the way, I also tried that with Claude, and there was also kind of disappointed. Maybe your experience is better, then please write it in the comments. But I was also kind of disappointed, actually. But then I decided, okay, I give it another try with a different model, and this time I chose to use Codex model. And there, let me show you the results. I was actually kind of impressed with that. So here's what I get with Codex. And if I take a closer look at this, let me also scroll down a little bit so you can see also the top, of course, then you'll see that this looks, to me at least, the most similar one to the original image. Now, of course, it's not perfect. I get that. If I take a closer look at this, this is might be a little bit lighter, and I can see here this underline and so on, and I can also see here a little gradient around this button. All this is true, but if I compare this image actually to what Codex gave me, just on my prompt that I want to have a 100% replication on the website itself, it's kind of amazing. Because this is now a fully functional Vite React app, right? So I can, of course, put my own content in that, but based on the design, the style, I have it more or less exactly the way I want it. So it just means that if you tried something like this with, for instance, Claude or a different kind of model, and your results were kind of disappointing, or maybe you have seen another YouTube video which tells you can get only 70% or something like that to the original image, I'm gonna challenge you, give it a try with a different model. And Codex, for instance, is very, very good in following instructions. So if you tell it exactly you want to have this style, and no matter what, you want to get as closely as possible to it, you want really, the goal is to more or less copy it, the website itself, you'll get probably very good results, as I would or got here. So please feel free to comment, let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Was this very good from Codex, or are you disappointed? Let me know. Always, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, also share it, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, take care, and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.